Ever wondered if your seasonal plant care could be better? It's an art that requires knowledge and patience. The health of your plants hinges on how well you adapt their care to the changing seasons. Imagine the joy when your garden thrives all year round, not just in one season. This is the art of seasonal plant care, and it's easier than you might think. So let's explore this exciting journey of nurturing nature together. Stay tuned as we divulge into some practical and easy-to-follow seasonal plant care tips. Spring is a time of growth and renewal, and your plants are no exception. It's vital to water thoroughly, fertilize wisely, and prune with precision. These steps ensure your green friends bounce back from winter's chill and kickstart their growing season. Remember, spring is all about helping your plants recover from winter and prepare for the growing season. Summer can be a challenging time for plants, with high temperatures and increased sunlight. Early morning watering, providing shade during peak hours, and vigilant pest control can make a world of difference. With the right care, your plants can thrive even in the hottest summer. As the seasons change, so should your plant care routine. Autumn and winter demand less watering. Protect your green friends from frost and prepare them for dormancy. Remember, proper care in the autumn and winter can set your plants up for success in the coming year. To sum up, each season requires a different approach to plant care. In the spring, it's all about preparing your garden for growth, with plenty of watering and the right fertilizers. As we move into summer, it's crucial to protect your plants from the heat and keep them hydrated. As fall rolls around, it's time to prepare for the colder months, which might mean mulching or bringing certain plants indoors. Winter is the time for rest and preparation for the next growing season. Embracing these seasonal shifts and adapting your plant care accordingly will ensure a vibrant, thriving garden all year round. Remember, your plants depend on you to help them navigate the changing seasons. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips. Happy gardening!